Another moving diaries episode. I don't know what number we're on. I think it's 4. I'm gonna be sorting out the wardrobe today because if I move a little bit to my left, this whole corner is just clothes. There is stuff in the wardrobe already, but it's just been like stuff. There's no organization or anything, so I really want to get it all organized. I bought enough hangers and I need to take some big coats out so that I have more space. But obviously, I wanted to bring you along with me, so let's do it together. So this is what we're dealing with. It's this whole box is full of clothes. It's so messy because I've just been taking clothes off, chucking them in there, and then vice versa, digging clothes out. So this is the wardrobe. So there is clothes in it, and there is enough space for more clothes, but all these hangers are taking up so much space. And then on the other side, I have all these coats are just so big that all of this is space I could definitely be using. So I'm gonna take these out and put these on a hanger on the back of the bedroom door. At least they're flat, because I hate when you hang things from by the hood and then it just all a big pile and sticks out and it's hard to like open and close the door. So I just put them on hangers on the hooks instead. So I'm gonna start by doing that and getting the hangers out, and then I'm gonna take, let me speak to you, hold on. And then I'm gonna take the big box of clothes and dump it out in the living room, because otherwise I won't do it. I need to make a mess so that my brain is like, oh my god, tidy. And also it'll be easier to do it in a bigger space, so that's the plan. So let's get these bitches out. Welcome to the back of my door. This is where it's going. This is my favorite hoodie in the world. One Dutch. But this is where they're gonna go, the coats are gonna go, so. Yeah. I got more hangers than I even care to admit. All right, cool. That's everything hung up. I have a box here that is for things you'd put in drawers, comfy stuff that's not worth being hung up. So I have to go through that box still and fold stuff up and put it in drawers. There's also a wash on, so I'm gonna get that stuff out and put it on the airer. I'm actually gonna put them on the hangers wet and then hang them on the airer so that it's just one less job to do. When they're dry again, I can just take them off and put them in. I don't think this is all gonna fit in my wardrobe, but we'll find out. What else? So I'm gonna do the washing first so I can get it outside, and then we'll try and get everything in the wardrobe somehow. Okay, it's time to do the wardrobes. It's kind of color coordinated-ish. I'm not sure how helpful that actually is, to be honest, to have it color coordinated, but I'm gonna keep up with it because at least it looks nice. Let's just try and get in as much as possible. I have drawers here, so all the stuff that's in that box that is like joggers and comfy stuff is gonna go in these drawers. There's not a lot of trousers to add because I basically have trousers on this side and then tops or dresses and everything on this side. There's not a lot of trousers, so I'm probably just gonna push those to the end and then keep filling it out and hopefully it all fits. Okay, done that. I've got the box here, so I just need to go through everything. These drawers are pretty empty. Yeah, so we're gonna just fold stuff up. I need to kind of organize, like, this is probably gonna be like lounge stuff and underwear. And then I don't know, maybe tops, bottoms, miscellaneous. We actually did that so much quicker than I thought, but it's all done. It looks really cute. I'll show you the full thing, but I'm really happy with it. I got everything in. I've actually got way more space than I thought I was gonna have. So nice, step by step, getting everything in, feeling like you're getting your roots in somewhere. So thank you so much for hanging out with me whilst we did this together. It's much more fun with a friend, so I appreciate you, and I will see you again next week. Bye.